All right, another beautiful waterfall here in the UP of Michigan. I'm Uper Steve, a tour guide here in the UP. This is Collinsville Cut Waterfall in the city of Marquette, along with Wrightstreet Falls, which is up over here by the penstocks, and there's many other falls in the area. I'm here to show you cool places like this that you can enjoy on your adventures here in the UP of Michigan. Collinsville Cut Falls. Get here and see it while it's flowing real good like this. Real easy to get to. We'll see you soon. Don't feed the mosquitoes, my friends.